बोलने दो उनको। वो इन्हीं की महिलाएं हैं, पंजाब की महिलाएं नहीं है। पंजाब की सारी महिलाएं हमारे साथ हैं। उनको आम आदमी पार्टी पे भरोसा है। ये कांग्रेस की और बीजेपी वालों की, कांग्रेस और बीजेपी को अब औपचारिक रूप से ऐलान कर देना चाहिए कि वो मिलके गठबंधन में ये चुनाव लड़ रहे हैं आम आदमी पार्टी के साथ। ये चोरी छिपे पीठ पीछे एक साथ अलायंस करना ये ठीक नहीं है। क्या अभी तक तो बीजेपी के पास ना कोई सीएम चेहरा है, ना कोई नैरेटिव है, दिल्ली को लेके विजन है कि वो क्या करेंगे। 10 साल में उन्होंने कोई काम नहीं किया और इसी वजह से बीजेपी केवल और केवल आम आदमी पार्टी को गालियां देके ये चुनाव जीतना चाहती है। हम लोगों को बता रहे हैं कि 10 साल में हमने ये काम किए, आने वाले 5 साल में ये काम करेंगे, हमें हमारे कामों के बल पे वोट दो। और बीजेपी कह रही है हमने इतनी गालियां दी 10 साल में, आने वाले 5 साल में और अच्छी अच्छी गालियां देंगे केजरीवाल को, हमें गालियों के नाम पे वोट दो। अब जनता को तय करना है कि गालियों के नाम पे वोट देंगे कि काम के नाम पे वोट देंगे। जो है अभी वही चालू रहेगा। उसकी डिटेल चुनाव के बाद बता देंगे, लेकिन लोगों को चिंता करने की जरूरत नहीं है। उनके गलत बिल सारे माफ कर दिए जाएंगे। करने दीजिए उनको। आप कांग्रेस को इतना सीरियसली क्यों लेते हैं? जनता ने लेना बंद कर दिया। आप पत्रकार, कुछ चंद पत्रकार उनको अभी भी सीरियसली लेते हैं। बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया, थैंक यू।
Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal there. However, when asked about the Virod Pradarshan or the protest that seems to be happening outside his residence where he currently has been staying, over women coming from Punjab to protest over unfulfilled promises to be made of them, he's dismissing those protests, saying that the women of Punjab are with the Aam Aadmi Party. However, we are looking at if he has also made another big announcement this time or not. But he's questioned the BJP over the no announcement of a possible CM face, and he has dismissed the Congress party in its entirety, says that nobody takes the party seriously as far as in the national capital is concerned, because he's dismissed the today's protest also taking place outside his residence, saying that the women do not hail from Punjab at all. Let's get in a word from Sabyasachi. Sabyasachi, today's press briefing on part of the Aam Aadmi Party and the convener there, Arvind Kejriwal. What exactly, if you can put it in context, that he has to say? We were expecting that this time he would be making a big announcement, as according to his post that he had put up. Well, Arvind Kejriwal targeting the Congress party, saying that it is a non-serious player, and it seems that the direct face-off that would be happening in Delhi would be between the BJP and the Aam Aadmi Party. However, when it comes to the protest that has been taking place outside his residence today, where he has been dismissing those protests by the women, they're saying that the women of Punjab are with the Aam Aadmi Party. And we've also seen how the party has upped its social media game as well, because we are looking at poster wars, the war of words that have also been happening, and that too, how it is escalated between the Delhi Chief Minister Atishi and between the Delhi Lieutenant Governor V.K. Saxena as well. Sabyasachi, what exactly is the announcement today that Arvind Kejriwal was supposed to make?
Well, see, this particular press conference by Arvind Kejriwal was announced that he is going to make.
All right. Unfortunately, we are unable to connect with Sabyasachi, but in the meantime,